Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about locus solved problems and transformation of axis, concept definitions. Solved problem number 5. Capital A equal to 2 comma 3, B equal to minus 3 comma 4 are two given points. Find the equation of locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is 8.5. Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus capital A equal to 2 comma 3 is the given point, B equal to minus 3 comma 4 is the given point. Here area of triangle PAB is 8.5 given condition. Area of triangle PAB equal to 8.5. Formula 1 by 2 modulus of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 equal to 8.5. Here the coordinates p equal to x comma y. This is x1 comma y1. Capital A equal to 2 comma 3, x2 comma y2 and b equal to minus 3 comma 4, x3 comma y3. Here the 2 is cross multiply with 8.5. Modulus of x1 value equal to x, x2 is 2. Here one step is directly x2 2, x3 minus 3, minus minus plus 3, 2 plus 3 5, y1 value is y, y2 value is 3, y2 minus y3, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2 into 8.5, 17. X minus 2 into minus 1, minus 1 into x minus 2, 5 into y minus 3 equal to 17. Modulus of minus x plus 2 minus 5y plus 3, minus 5y minus into minus plus 5 into 3 15 equal to 17. Minus x minus 5y 2 plus 15 17 equal to 17. If mod is removed, minus x minus 5y plus 17 equal to plus or minus 17. Case 1, minus x minus 5y plus 17 equal to 17, 17 get cancelled. Minus x minus 5y equal to 0, multiply with minus x plus 5y equal to 0. Case 2, minus x minus 5y plus 17 equal to minus 17, minus x minus 5y minus 17 becomes plus 17, 17 plus 17 34 equal to 0. Multiply with minus x plus 5y minus 34 equal to 0. Therefore, required equation of locus is x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 equal to 0. Next topic, transformation of axis. This is chapter 2. Here the axes are transformed into three ways. The axes are transformed into three ways. First one, translation of axis. Second one, rotation of axis. Third one, translation and rotation of axis. Here, first discuss about translation of axis and rotation of axis. In your syllabus, these two axis or transformations are there. Translation of axis and rotation of axis. Discuss about one by one the concepts and formulae. Here, discuss about translation of axis. To observe that this is original coordinate system. This x-axis and y-axis intersect at origin. In translation of axis, the origin is shifted to another point. Let it be h comma k. The origin is shifted to another point. Let it be h comma k without changing the direction of axis. Here to observe that this is the original system of x-axis. Here the origin is shifted to another point. Let it be this is h comma k without changing the direction of x and y-axis. This type of transformation is called translation of axis. Here the definition of translation of axis, if the origin is shifted to another point without changing the direction of axis, then that transformation is called translation of axis. Here one concept, this is the original system of coordinate, original system of axis. In this system, small x comma small y be the original coordinates, capital X comma capital Y be the new coordinates, or transformed coordinates, and origin is shifted to another point. This is origin shifted point, and h comma k be the origin shifted point. Here one relation, small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here in the question, capital X and capital Y is given and origin shifted point h comma k is given. To find small x, small y, small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. In the question, if original coordinates is given small x, small y, and origin shifted point h comma k is given, then to find capital X, capital Y, capital X is equal to small x minus h, capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Here small x, small y, original coordinates are given, and capital X, capital Y, new coordinates are given. To find origin shifted point h comma k, small h is equal to x, small x minus capital X, and k is equal to small y minus capital Y. Example 1. Find the coordinates of the point 1 comma 2 in the new system when the origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3. Here in the question, to observe that, here to find the coordinates of the point in the new system, this 1 comma point 1 comma 2, this point 1 comma 2 be the original coordinates. Original coordinates. Here given original coordinates, small x comma small y equal to 1 comma 2 is given. Here when the origin is shifted to, origin shifted point is given. Origin shifted point is h comma k equal to minus 2 comma 3. In this question, to find coordinates of point in the new system, let capital X comma capital Y equal to new coordinates. New coordinates. Here one relation, small x is equal to capital X plus h. This is the relation. Capital X is equal to x minus h, small x minus h. Here x equal to 1, h equal to minus 2. Here minus plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Capital X equal to 3. And next relation, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here to find capital Y value, capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Small y value is 2. K value equal to 3. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Capital Y equal to minus 1. Therefore, new coordinates equal to capital X, capital Y equal to the result 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Example 2, if minus 4 comma 3 are the coordinates of a point P in the new system, when the origin is shifted to 1 comma 5, then find original coordinates of P. In this question, the coordinates of point P in new system is given. This is minus 4 comma 3, the new coordinates of P, capital X comma capital Y is given. This is the origin shifted point, h comma k is given, 1 comma 5. To find original coordinates of P, small x comma small y. Given new coordinates of P, capital X comma capital Y equal to minus 4 comma 3. Origin shifted point h comma k equal to 1 comma 5. Here to find original coordinates of P, let small x comma small y equal to original coordinates of P. Original coordinates of P. Here one relation, small x is equal to capital X plus h. Here capital X value is given minus 4, h equal to 1, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3, small x equal to minus 3. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here capital Y value is given 3. K value is given 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Small y is equal to 8. Here original coordinates of P. Therefore, original coordinates of P equal to small x comma small y equal to minus 3 comma 8 is the answer. Minus 3 comma 8. Next, discuss about if original equation of curve is given, then find the transformed equation of curve. This transformed equation present in new equation of curve. This is a new equation of curve. Here one concept, if f of x comma y equal to 0, f of x comma y equal to 0 is the original equation of curve when the origin is shifted to the point or the axis are translated to the point h comma k, then the transformed equation of curve is f of capital X plus h comma y capital Y plus k equal to 0. Here this is the original axis. In this curve is formed, this is original equation of curve. This original equation of curve is in the form of f of x comma y equal to 0. If the origin is translated or it is shifted to h comma k, then this is a new transformation, new axis. In this new axis, the transformed equation of curve is f of capital X plus h comma capital Y plus k equal to 0. Here one example problem. Find the transformed equation of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 when the origin is shifted to the point minus 1 comma 2. In this question, to find transformed equation, this is original equation of curve. Given original equation given x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. The origin is shifted to the point. Origin shifted point h comma k is given minus 1 comma 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Let small x comma small y equal to original coordinates. Original coordinates. Capital X comma capital Y is equal to new coordinates. New coordinates. Here one relation, small x is equal to capital X plus h. Here h value equal to minus 1. Small x is equal to capital X minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here k equal to 2. Small y is equal to y plus 2. Here substitute small x small y values in equation 1. Small x small y values in equation 1. In equation 1. Equation 1, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Small x is equal to capital X minus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus 2. Small x equal to capital X minus 1 whole square. Here small y is equal to y plus 2 whole square. 2 into small x, x minus 1, capital X minus 1. 4 into small y equal to capital Y plus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Here the expansion a minus b whole square formula. X square b square plus 1 minus 2x. Y plus 2 whole square. Y square 2 square 4 plus 4y. Here multiply with 2. 2 into x 2x. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 multiply with 4 minus 4y minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. Here to observe that minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled, plus 4y minus 4y get cancelled. X square plus y square. Next constant terms. First add the plus terms. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 equal to 0. X square plus y square, 6 minus 10 minus 4 equal to 0. This is the transformed equation. Therefore required transformed equation is x square plus y square minus 4 equal to 0. Next concept 2. In this concept, the transformed equation of curve is given. It is in the form of capital X comma capital Y equal to 0. F of capital X comma capital Y equal to 0. Then the origin is shifted to h comma k. Then the vertical equation of curve is in capital X substitute small x minus h. In capital Y substitute small y minus k. It is in the form of f of x minus h comma y minus k equal to 0. Here, if f of capital X comma y equal to 0 is a transformed equation of curve, when the axes are translated to the point, that means this is origin shifted point h comma k, then the original equation of curve is in capital X substitute x minus h, in capital Y substitute y minus k. This is f of small x minus h comma small y minus k equal to 0. Here one example question. If the transformed equation of curve is x square plus 2y square plus 16 equal to 0, when the axes are translated to the point minus 1 comma 2, then find the original equation of the curve. Here given equation is a transformed equation. Given equation of curve, given equation of transformed, given equation of transformed, given transformed equation of curve, given transformed equation of curve is x square, capital X square plus 2y square, capital Y square plus 16 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Here origin is shifted to origin shifted point h comma k, h comma k equal to minus 1 comma 2. This is origin shifted point. Let small x comma small y equal to original coordinates, capital X comma capital Y equal to new coordinates. Here one relation, small x is equal to capital X plus h. Here capital X is equal to small x minus h. H equal to minus 1, minus minus plus. Capital X is equal to small x plus 1. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Capital Y equal to small y minus k. Capital Y equal to small y minus k. Here k equal to 2. Capital Y is equal to small y minus 2. Here substitute capital X, capital Y values in equation 1. Capital X comma capital Y values in equation 1. Equation 1. Here equation 1 is x square plus 2y square plus 16 equal to 0. This is equation 1. In capital X, the value is equal to x plus 1, small x plus 1 whole square, 2 into capital Y, small y minus 2 whole square, plus 16 equal to 0. Here the expansion a plus b whole square, x square plus 1 plus 2x. Here the expansion a minus b whole square, 2 into y square plus 4 minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. X square plus 1 plus 2x. Here multiply the entire term with 2. 2y square, 2 4s 8, 2 into 4y, 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. First x square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 8y. Next constant term 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 16 25. This is original equation of curve. Original equation of curve. X square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 25 equal to 0. Next video discuss about in translation of axis. One theorem is there to eliminate the first degree terms to find the origin shifted point, and also discuss about rotation of axis, definition and concepts and theorems. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.